Howdy y'all, this is a voiceover time. This makeup took so long. First I'm gonna glue down my eyebrows because I don't want latex to stick to them. That's a very important part or you will lose your eyebrows. Here's a little sketchy of what I did. I'm gonna see if I could do it. I got a bald cap from Spirit Halloween and it sucks. It's really thick and gross and weird and I hate it. So don't buy your bald caps from Spirit Halloween. I had the brilliant idea of putting a wig cap on first to hold my hair back. So yeah, you should probably do that. And then you can put the wig cap on and then it'll look generally okay, maybe. But I also pinned it down, so that was better. Now we're gonna go in with some liquid latex. You can use honestly whatever brand, it doesn't matter. But I'm gonna use that around the edges of the wig cap to try to glue it down, even though this is a really bad wig cap. But anyway, next I'm gonna sketch out the design onto my face. This is a really good idea so you don't mess up where your placement is gonna be for any of your stuff. And I'm just using a bit of red face paint left over on the brush. Now I'm taking some cotton balls and unrolling them, dipping them in the liquid latex, and sticking them upon the face. And it is a really messy process, and you're gonna get a lot of cotton fluff into your nose, so just be ready for that. But I'm just putting strips of the cotton ball, dipping in latex, lining them up on those lines that I sketched earlier. I can't deal with the fumes. This fume's nasty. This fume's nasty. Yeah, that makes sense. Anyway, keep doing that. Now I'm going to take some tissue and tear it in half so you only have one ply of tissue, and then you're going to tear strips off of that, put liquid latex on the outside edges of the design, lay the tissue down, and then cover it again with liquid latex, and this is going to help blend the edges. Don't mind whatever that was. So just going to do that for all of the outside edges of the eyes area. Yeah, I'll call it that. And now I'm going to stick some liquid latex and tissues in some random parts of the bald cap and my face just to help texturize the area more. So it's not just a stark contrast between my skin and the liquid latex. Also, I'm a little sick, so sorry about that. Anyway, I'm going to take these bloody eyeballs. I found these at Party City. Hey, that was really cool. And basically, I'm going to be trimming them a little bit. Wow, the water just turned on in someone else's place. I'm going to be trimming the eyeballs a little bit so that they can stick better and look more like they're emerging from the skin. And basically, it just takes a while of laying down a layer of liquid latex, covering the underside of the eyeball in liquid latex, and placing them wherever I want to go. I also wanted to cover my eye, my actual eye, with a piece of tissue paper. I should have done this before sticking on the eyeballs, but oh well. And then I'll cover that with liquid latex again, and then continue placing the eyeballs. Place your eyeballs first and then put liquid latex on them so that you know where exactly you're going to place them. See, on this side I did what I was supposed to do and glued down a piece of tissue over my eye, not on my eyeball, okay, not on my eyelid, because that's going to be uncomfortable, not on my eyelashes, dear God, but over my entire eye and just dabbing the perimeter in liquid latex. And now I'm also adding more eyes, and with the eyeballs I add a layer of tissue or cotton around the edges of the eyeballs to help blend them into my base and also to help them be secure. So now we're going to take brown and white face paint, mix them together, and start dabbing it all over my head. Yeah, it's going to make this little grungy, dead flesh kind of look. It's really nice. You can pick whatever flesh color you'd like, but, you know, I think this one works for this. And you're going to want to cover every single spot except for the inside of the eyes area. Now I'm going to take some black with red face paint, or black melted into the red face paint, and fill in the eye areas. We're going to create a fleshy, ripped off skin type of look. So you just want to cover every single area. And there's also a flap of extra flesh that I had hanging down over on my mouth, so just cover that, a little bit of red. And then just splotch the red in a bunch of different areas. You can also use that, mixed with a little bit of the brown, to outline the skin flaps of the eyes. And then you also can go in with black and outline the inside of the eye sockets area to make it deeper, go in with the brown and outline the throat area to make it look more cohesive. And I thought everything looked a little boring, so I'm taking some white face paint and just making some crooked, spaced out teeth on my mouth area, outlining that with red for the gums, and then outlining the teeth themselves with black face paint, just to make some extra definition and make it look gross. Now I'm going to take my scab blood. This is my favorite thing ever. I love this thing. And I'm just going to put it on the back of a makeup brush on the handle and put it all over the inner corners and the inner skin flaps. I don't want to cover everything I've already done with scab blood because it would cover up all my good work. But that's it. Now to pose. There's a little bit of my hair sticking out, but what are you gonna do? Woo! Anyway, that's all for the look. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see final pictures of this. If you want to look at up my other makeup, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!